All right, let's talk about faith services. They're all about building the foundation for your project success. And they've been at it for a while. We're talking over 2 decades of solid, hands-on experience. Plus, they're ISO certified. That's not just a sticker. It's a promise of top-notch quality. So what do they actually do? They make, export, and rent world-class scaffolding and formwork. Basically, their stuff falls into 2 main buckets: scaffolding and, of course, formwork. Their scaffolding is super versatile. We're talking everything from huge events to heavy industrial jobs. And their formwork, just as solid. It supports walls, columns, slabs, the whole structural shebang. But it's not just about the gear. Their whole process, from start to finish, is key. They've got this down to a science with a simple 3-step process for every single job. Step 1 is all about planning. You'll see exactly what you're getting with detailed visualizations. Then comes manufacturing. It's all done in-house with a super strict 3-step quality check. And finally, they handle all the logistics and stick around on site until the job's done right. Okay, so does this process actually work? Well, the numbers really speak for themselves. Let's look. They've knocked out over 250 successful projects. That is a ton of experience. And they've got a toolbox with over 35 different products to tackle pretty much anything. Their projects are huge too, covering a massive footprint of over 150,000 square feet. And this isn't just talk. It means real results, like a 30% efficiency boost for clients. So who's using their stuff? Well, their client list covers some really demanding industries. From tricky aircraft maintenance to harsh paper mills, they have a specialized solution for it all. So you see, it's that mix of experience, quality, and a solid process that makes them trusted. Which kind of makes you think, right? For your next big project, what really matters most?